Charon Tap Star at #1 Hoofer with Advanced Tap Dancers warm-up number 4, okay? I don't know what's going to happen. We're just going to go with the flow, so just follow along, okay? If you have to catch up or you get thrown off along the way, it doesn't matter. You should be doing this more than once. So as you continue to do this over and over again, you will automatically know what's going on and you can figure out what to do next, all right? All right, here we go, you guys. Straight to it. We're always starting with this. Okay, follow along. 1, 2, ready, and 8. Good, you guys. So last. 1, 2, here we go. 7. Alright, I don't know how many that is. I didn't mean to remix it. Add a hill. Proud of you. Let's warm up those heels. Okay, 1, 2, this heel first. Toes. Heels. Toes. Working down turn rolls. Backwards. Control it. Double time. Single time. Double time. Single time. Proud of you guys. Good job. Okay, let's warm up our digs and our hits. So give me hit step. Joining. Switch hits first. Hits. Proud of you guys. Okay, good. Give me shuffles. Okay, hopefully I remember that. 1, 2, ready, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. warm up our laps. Let's walk it first. Come along with me. Hopping into it, and sometimes I was walking it. Okay, so play around with both. If you don't want to bounce so much and you need to walk it, you go ahead. Do the one where you don't bounce it, but if you want to jump it, then go ahead and do that version, okay? All right, you guys, let's warm up our triplets. And then slurp out of it, okay? Hopefully I remember what I just did. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, here we go. No, I'll be nice. Give me 16 counts first, okay? Start with your left heel first. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? All right, here we go. So I want you to give me this. Okay, and then start on this side. Okay, and then break it down half of that. And then let it run. Okay, good. All right, so the heel that you stop on for that little pause, it's the same heel you're gonna start with when you continue to go on, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and. So I just want you to do some running the laps, and then we are out of here, okay? After this, go ahead and go back to the Advanced Tap Tutorials playlist on my #1 Hoofer channel and pick something else to do. Pick a time step or pick a mini combo or a mini phrase, whatever, but just do a little bit more now that you warmed up, okay? I love you so much. Charon Tap Star. Let's get our running for laps on. Joining me. It's Charon Tap Star at #1 Hoofer, sharing love to help you surpass your personal best. Alright, you guys, practice this video, do it like 5 times at least, and I will see you on the next one. Charon Tap Star out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Number 1 Hoopers, let's go! Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 Hoopers, let's go! Show your appreciation. Like this video now.